I feel comfortable working here. They seen how good I work, so within my first 2 weeks, they started teaching me other things. I went from assembling to bending rails, doing other stuff, so they seen how fast I learned, so they started teaching me other things so I can get better. I'm going through welding school, and I'm still attempting to do a higher level, so they give me a chance to expand and learn to do different things. And it's been pretty good. Now I can go in a career that I really wanted to go into in the first place.